In the last 5 years, we've been working to incorporate the Shingo principles of align, enable, improve in everything that we do. When we began this part of our journey, we knew that we needed a coach that truly understood Shingo. We looked for a coach that had been an examiner for the Shingo Prize, somebody that had won the prize, or somebody that sat on the board of trustees for the Shingo Institute. And through GBMP, you can get somebody that's done all three of those things.
We didn't have the money to put in some big fancy measurement system for machine performance. I was struggling working with the team on how to really, in a very simple way, understand how they were doing and how they were running. In only 1 week, with one of the consultants from GBMP, they helped us with a simple Excel spreadsheet. That was 5 years ago, and we're still using that tool today to help measure performance. And what's really great about it is it's not a tool that's owned by the executive team. It's a tool that's owned by the people who do the work and the supervisors in that facility. Wonderful experience. I just can't say enough good things about GBMP.
GBMP is fortunate to have a partnership with the Shingo Institute, and recently we hosted a Shingo course session here for, I believe, 2 days a month for 4 consecutive months. And what that allowed us to do is, first of all, send a couple of our team members to attend the course so they can get a deeper knowledge of lean and the behaviors and culture that wrapped around it. But what was very beneficial to our company was we were used as the case study. The attendees of the class spent some time on the floor. They picked a couple of different areas to analyze. They utilized the Shingo model to do their exploratory work, and then they did a report out to our entire management team, which then we were able to take and incorporate as part of our strategic plan for future improvement. So it's a very beneficial partnership, and again, we're fortunate and excited to continue to build on that.